We got this customer hooked up with the complete carbon fiber DarwinPro body kit. It's going to be replacing the full front bumper, the full rear bumper with a really aggressive carbon fiber rear diffuser. Also, the side skirts are going to be changing. And then as well as changing the whole look and painting those parts, we're going to also protect it with some paint protection film, give the car a full paint correction, ceramic coating, make sure this Solarbeam Yellow is really dialed in and is adding to how awesome this car is going to look, not kind of taken away with scratches and swirls and all that. Give it a complete, fully polished look that's just going to look awesome. So let's get into it. So anytime you're doing customization work, the detail that goes into the paintwork is a big factor. So this particular body kit that we have for our AMG GTS is full carbon on the front bumper, the rocker panels, and some of the rear bumper. Now, with that being said, the entire panel isn't going to be exposed carbon. So we're going to mask off and tape up some areas that we want to remain exposed carbon, but also the rest of the panel is going to be color matched to the car, so it has a real OEM-like finished look to it. This one here on the rocker panels in the front bumper, we've already got our Solarbeam Yellow, which is a really great match. We're super happy with that. And so we're gonna go back through now that it's all unmasked, apply our clear coat, which is really gonna just finish it off, give it that really nice OEM factory-like finish. So that's another reason that details matter whenever it comes to your customization process.
Okay everybody, we are on day 5 of our AMG project. We've got our aftermarket parts on, we've got the front bumper and the side skirts, and then we've also beautifully color matched these pieces to the rest of the vehicle. So today we're gonna be putting on the final touches, which is our paint protection film. Now he just color matched this bumper, it looks beautiful. We wanna make sure that his paint stays looking amazing. So this paint protection film is going to stop any rock chips or road debris from coming up and scratching his newly painted bumper.
really excited. Customer's on his way right now to pick it up. We're excited for him to see it and check it out. So let's get into that.
Yo, man, you guys knocked it out.
Thank you,
man.
thank you, thank you.
You guys, I knew I brought it to the right place, man. I just, when you're spending this much money, you know, and you don't get that feel good.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
You know?
You gotta, it's an experience, man. Like that's what I would say. It's not a transaction. You gotta, it's the whole thing. It's like even the like when it was all put together and like, cause he put the stripes and stuff on last night, and I was even before that, like the stripes just completely change it too with everything else going on. It's like, man, that's just a nice little touch.
It's a different car.
Yeah.
It's a different car.
So the customer just saw it. He's about to pull it outside for him. He absolutely loved it. Said it looked like a completely different car. Super happy, and that's what it's all about. He's excited about his car again, and we're excited to see it get out on the road and see it at future car shows. So if you're looking to customize your next vehicle, come see us at IX Exotics.